Hey everyone, I just want to talk to you for a second. If you're new to this channel, my name is Mr. Luke Evan Brooks, and I just want to go over a few things for a few people here, just for a few minutes, about what it takes to be a Turo All-Star host. Now, if you don't know, this channel talks about passive income. We talk about what it takes to do multiple streams of income, whether it's passive or semi-passive. So if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. So the things that you need to do this is, first off, you gotta have a car. Now there are different requirements that you need to do as far as with these vehicles. Your vehicle's gotta have less than 130,000 miles. It can't be a rebuilt title or salvage title. It has to be a clean title. And if you're currently watching this now, it can't be no older than 12 years. All right. So you can get a car going back almost to 2011. And you basically, if you got that, you're ready to rock. Good news about that is that you can get used cars at a reasonable price depending on where your market. I usually try to stay away from the dealerships because at the end of the day, the dealerships are going to try to put a high premium on it. My thing that I tell people is this, is that you want to go ahead and actually get a car and pay for cash if you can, much as possible.